What is abstraction? Abstraction means hiding complex details and showing only what is necessary. In Java, this is done using an abstract classes and interfaces. Abstract classes cannot create objects directly, and abstract methods have no body, so they must be implemented by your child class. So if you use an abstract method will usually have no body to it. You will have to implement it at the subclass level. It's usually added at the abstract class. So yeah, this is more of a more technical preview of what abstraction is. The next slide is more of a less technical description of what abstraction is. So abstraction, you can also define it as this is the process of hiding the internal details of how something works and showing only the essential features to the user. It helps you focus on what an object does, not how it does it. The idea is you define what should be done in the abstract layer, which can be your abstract class or your interface, and the actual implementation is done in the subclass. So you just define the what you expect the class to do at the high level, and then you implement that functionality at your subclass. So abstraction example, so there we have our animal. So we expect all animals to make at least a sound. So as you see, this is an abstract method. It has no body to it, and an abstract animal class, meaning that you can't create an object out of it. You can only extend it to a subclass. And below we have our subclass, which is our dog. It extends the animal abstract class, and then we are forced to implement the logic of the animal sound, which is dog barks, woof woof. And for a cat subclass, we would maybe say the cat meows, meow meow, something like that. So that concludes our overview of what abstraction is. Next, we will dive into the code and just try to code it out and talk about it more. Okay, let's get it. Here we go with the conclusion of abstraction in object-oriented programming in Java. This is our last example, coding example. Here, as you see, we have our animal abstract class, and we also have an abstract make sound method, meaning that every subclass that implements this abstract class, we expect it to have a unique sound functionality to it. Like a dog would have like its unique sound that it would make, which is barking, and a cat would have its unique sound, which is meowing. Let's have a look at the dog subclass that extends the animal abstract class. You see here we've overridden the make sound method, and whenever we call the make sound method, we should have the dog is barking printed out. And let's have a look at the cat subclass that extend the animal abstract class. Whenever the make sound method is called of the cat class, we should expect the cat keeps meowing printed out. Okay, let's put that to a test. Cat, say dog. Your dog. Dog bond make sound. Let's see what happens. Lovely. We have the dog is barking printed out. And then let's look at the cat. New cat. Let's see what sound does the cat make. The cat keeps meowing. So yeah, this is abstraction, ladies and gentlemen.